it's Robert here from robertcbrown.online. Hope you're having a fabulous day wherever you are in the world today. Now, today's video is asking the question, how does the law of attraction work? Well, look, there are lots of conflicting arguments on this subject. An awful lot of people out there, so-called gurus, are kind of saying that all you need to really do is go within, visualize what it is you want, and pretty much the law of attraction will see to it that this stuff will show up in your reality. And I'm here to tell you that that's not strictly, in my opinion, the way it works. And my opinion's based on also my own experience and that of my clients too. Now, the law of attraction is a very real thing. But the law of attraction is something that kicks into momentum when you apply one factor that is missing when a lot of these folks talk about the law of attraction and how to get it to work for you. They go into the kind of more ethereal stuff and how the law of attraction works and everything else, but they miss out one important ingredient. It's like baking a cake, right, from a recipe book and then leaving out the sugar. It wouldn't taste right, would it? It just wouldn't taste right, because the sugar in the cake is a vital ingredient. Let me get right to the point of what I'm actually saying. Look at the word attraction for a moment, okay? If you take out the word action, you have nothing. Action makes up 60% of the word attraction. So what I'm saying, or what I'm suggesting to you, is that the major part of attracting anything is in fact taking action. Now, here's my take on the way the law of attraction really works. The law of attraction is something that happens as a result of you going within and doing internal work on yourself, okay? So that you have different beliefs, so that your beliefs are kicking off myriad of different positive thoughts that are now supporting and empowering you rather than disempowering you. That raises your self-image and your level of self-confidence. It also raises your belief in what you feel you can achieve. And all of that self-confidence that builds and that kind of inner momentum, if you want, then leads you to take action in the direction of that which you want. And it's the action that is the bridge between all of this inner work and the stuff that actually shows up in your life that you want to show up in your life. I talk about bridges a lot because life is full of bridges, right? You normally find between here and here, there is a bridge. You're here, you want to get here, there's a bridge. You've got to negotiate the bridge. So you do the work on yourself, but then you need to bridge it with action to get to where you want to go. I hope that makes sense. Now, depending on where you are in life right now, if your self-esteem is low, if you're not doing the inner work on yourself, you're not building that kind of foundation, that strong structure and that self-belief system, etc., then you're not going to be in a place where you're empowered or inspired to take action. That's the critical factor. So as with pretty much everything in life boils down to working on yourself, even on a spiritual level, okay? Most of the time I talk about reprogramming the subconscious to support the conscious mind, and that is the quick solution, the quicker of the two. But trust me, the subconscious mind is only the bridge between what I call the superconscious and your conscious physical reality. That's the next level. You need to invest time in these areas. Reconnect with who you are. Reconnect with what inspires you. Get clarity on who you are. And then your clarity, if you're seeking any clarity about what you want and where you should be going in life, it will come as a result of getting clarity of who you are. Rediscovering yourself, reintroducing yourself to who you are. These questions will answer themselves. And then when you get reconnected and inspired, invigorated and passionate about your life again, you'll start to take the required action to bridge the gap between where you are and where you want to go. So listen, it's not fluff and nonsense. It's not smoke and mirrors. The law of attraction is a real thing. The law of attraction works. We could dig into all of the other stuff like the law of vibration and all this stuff. All part of it. All of it is relevant and all of it makes a difference. But ultimately, when it comes down to it, you can know all of this stuff. You can do all the visualizing in the world. But it isn't going to create something magically in your life other than it's going to help you to reprogram yourself on a subconscious level so that you then become capable of creating what it is that you want for yourself. The formula always has been and always will be do, have. Not to be mixed up, always in that order. Focus on the being. Become the person that has what you want to show up, and the rest will take care of itself. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I love making them for you, so do come back again and check out my videos. Also, what you should do if you've enjoyed this video, and I'd be really grateful, is actually like the video and click the bell, and then I can notify you every time I do one of these things. If you want to dig even deeper on all things personal and spiritual development and business development, because they all go together, then get across to robertcbrown.online, robertcbrown.online. Get yourself on my email list, join my community over there of like-minded people. We're all driven to be more, do more and have more and make a real positive difference on this planet of ours. If that's you, and I'm sure it is, I'd love to welcome you over there too. With that said, I'm going to can it. I'll see you soon. Bye.